This is Brad Morrow with my independent design project, which is a rudimentary ECG. So right here you're seeing the output. There's a lot of noise in the 60 hertz range, just because I'm in my apartment and the walls leak a lot of radiation. But that could easily be filled up with either a notch filter implemented with analog components, or even better, digitally when processing the signal once it's on a computer, which will allow for even better control of what's going on. So the way it works is basically have an instrumentation amplifier, all connected up with one power supply right there at 9.1 volts. The way we get the virtual ground for the instrumentation amplifier is through basically a resistor and capacitor in parallel, going from the VCC to the virtual ground, then another going from the virtual ground to minus VCC. So that gives us that point about halfway between the two to draw power on. We also have a potentiometer, so I could tune the gain from about 100 to 4,000, so that I could get the ECG signal nice and visible. Then also the leads have pulled down resistors to that virtual ground to make sure the charge doesn't build up on me, which would be bad for my health. I'd rather have that not happen. But yeah, and so then there's two wires that actually go up to these fancy EKG leads on my chest. And then I've also grounded down here, because earlier I was getting a lot of even more noise than that, completely unreadable. And that ground really helped clean up the signal a lot. So yeah, as you can see, each of one of those down ticks is my heart. Yeah, it's working.